Hello po, this is Vince. What I have here po is a watch from Rado. As you can see po no, sa text sa ibaba ng dial, it is a Balboa or part of their Balboa line. So in case you didn't know lang po, no, yung Balboa po ay yung Japan market version po ng Diastar. So yung Diastar po yung talagang recognizable na watch from Rado. It's the same shape as this po, no? Pero yung Balboa po ay, as you can see po, no, medyo iba yung case niya. There is this parang angles dito, no, sa sides ng case. Usually parang mas playful yung designs ng Balboa. And just like the Diastar po, no, yung Balboa ay made of the same material. So Diastar is marketed as a scratch-proof watch po, no? Yan yung parang marketing term nila, quote-unquote, scratch-proof. Because the case is made of tungsten carbide, which is very, very scratch-resistant. So as you can see po, no, highly polished yung watch case, pero wala po talagang major na scratches or marks po, no? And this watch is old. I think this is around 1970s or 1980s po siguro na watch. So wala pong scratches in case because it is made from a very scratch resistant material. Same din po sa crystal. Yung crystal po ay sapphire crystal. Very scratch resistant din. And wala pong major marks or scratches. And wala din pong chips, no, sa edges. And as you can see po, no, may facets yung crystal na parang gemstone, no? So meron siyang various surfaces at different angles. So yan po, that is sapphire crystal, just like the Diastar, no? The back po, no, is not made of tungsten. So this one is stainless steel. Usually may Rado medallion po dito, pero it's a detachable part and halos 95% of the watches that the Balboa watches that I get, no, don't have the medallion here. May separate na parang gold-plated medallion, nahuhulog daw yun eh. This is an automatic watch po. As you can see, the sweep of the second hand. The watch keeps accurate time po. Pina-check ko po sa technician ko just yesterday. And sabi niya, hindi kailangan i-overhaul. Usually po, pinapa-overhaul ko po talaga yung mga watches na ganito. Pero he inspected the movement po, no? And sinabi niya po na it's clean. It works well, no? The balance wheel, okay yung timing. So no need, hindi po siya na-overhaul. But as you can see, the watch po, no, is working. And keeps accurate time. Wala nga lang siya pong Rado na bracelet, no? So, this is a replacement mesh bracelet. No Rado branding anywhere. As you can see, no, usually may mga Rado branding sa mga ganito. Wala pong Rado branding. Nonetheless, no, I believe it suits the watch naman. Very vintagey. And if ayaw nyo po, this watch has 18mm lugs naman. You can change it to another bracelet or a leather strap if you prefer that. The wrist size po daw on this bracelet can be adjusted naman. You just move this clasp attachment. So, this is a men's watch po, no? But I suppose, no, if you're a female and you like larger watches, I suppose, no, you can argue na yung diameter nito ay smaller than many Apple watches these days, no? So I suppose in a way unisex na rin siya, but this is essentially a men's watch po. Sige, if there are any questions you may have na hindi ko po nailagay sa caption or naisabi sa video na to, just let me know and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.